And the nominees in the category of Best Store Design are Peacock Music in Vancouver, Washington. Peacock Music takes great pride to ensure that they cover all the bases of store presentation. First, they make sure everything about the store is clean, from the parking lot and front entry to the restrooms. In fact, they employ a full-time housekeeper to keep up on everything. Second, they like to be organized, making sure that product is easily found, clearly priced, and arranged properly. Third, they focus on their store's design, ensuring that the environment is interesting and appealing, with well-thought-out lighting. Co-owner Gail Peacock believes it's important that the store looks good, smells good, and feels great to her customers. They also want it to be fun and work to create colorful, interesting, and unique displays that make their customers stop and look. The Music Zoo in Roslyn, New York. The owners of the Music Zoo believe that a store's interior design plays a major role in its success. Wanting to create an inviting environment where customers can play their guitars without inhibition, they pay attention to everything from a room's angles to the placement of their products. They also seek to offer inspiration with the rock photography hung around the perimeter of the first floor, as well as on various walls throughout the store. The Music Zoo has partnered with Taylor & Gibson Guitars to create rooms to specifically brand those products, and created private rooms for distraction-free playing. They also offer kiosks in each room that make browsing their entire inventory via touchscreen swift and easy. Vintage King Audio in Ferndale, Michigan. Vintage King Audio has 2 retail locations, one in Los Angeles and one in Nashville. Each is unique, but both are beautifully designed in form and function. Vintage King Nashville features a control room designed by award-winning studio designer Carl Tatz that's outfitted with some of the finest outboard gear in the world. Vintage King's mic locker features a huge array of world-class microphones ready to audition, and their tone lounge is stuffed with the finest boutique guitars, amps, and pedals in a one-of-a-kind demo station. They're also extremely proud of their engineer's lounge, a comfortable space where customers can hang out, sip coffee, and discuss their needs with Vintage King's knowledgeable staff.